What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy 392JJ, back again with another vlog, man. No cap. I know y'all can tell what today's video is gonna be by the title on the thumbnail. Here it is right here, man. And they say this is all you need to do whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? But look, I want to take a minute to thank y'all, bro. Y'all running the channel up pretty quick. Just made this channel a couple months ago, man. Y'all got the last upload to like 2.8K with 100 likes. Let's see if we can get this one too. 5K, 100 likes, man. I believe in y'all. Y'all can do it, man. And thank y'all again, man. No cap. But look, it's like 4:30. It gets dark at like 5:30. So we got an hour to get this done. Here's what it looks like, man. Y'all don't know. Oh, somebody pulling up in my yard. It's my sister and them. Just trying to see who it was, but boom. This is it right here, bro. So all I gotta do is pull it out with this right here and plug and play, man. But let's go ahead and get today's vlog, man. No cap. So boom, we gotta pull out these lights right here, man. These right here. So I might set y'all up on like a little tripod and we're gonna get to work. No cap. Alright, man. See if we can get this done, bro.
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. Turn that up.
Sit on a bad boy like Mike.
Boom. Got the first one. Oh, that's a hot, boy. What the world? It's on burning hot, man. We got it, though. So they say, push this in, and boom. There you go, fam. Hey, man, make sure y'all wear some gloves when y'all do it, but that burned my hand. Alright, look, though. So, boom. Alright, man, let's see. Like they said, they just gotta plug this straight in right here, man. You get it. There she go. Easy as that. Make sure I got everything in good. I got OCD, man. You know. Oh, quick. There go the first one right here, man. That easy. I'm about to hit the other side now. Alright, man, we on the other side. See if we get this one up. Just as easy, bro.
And her gonna, she wanna fly to a private island. And I know that you got issues, girl, you can't hide it. She took my heart and left it missing, I still can't.
That's all she wrote. Yes, sir, man. About to put a new one in there, man. See how it look. Yes, sir. Alright, man, that jump was too easy. I know y'all want to see how it look at nighttime, so I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive until the sun go down. Then I'm gonna show y'all how it look, man. No cap. Alright, man. We in the scat with it. About to give y'all a little POV drive until the sun go down. That way I can give y'all a little montage of what the lights look like when the sun goes down, man. No cap. We at Walmart with it right now. About to go hit a little back road for y'all, so I can keep the content interesting. You feel me? So stay tuned. And also, I guess now would be a good time to tell y'all to go run the main channel up, man. Just dropped the Diamond Test of Strangers in Charlotte Mall. on the main channel, bro. No cap, that's a banger. Gotta go run that up. And don't forget to share the video.
Ski song, summertime with a tip. I'm a beast on, they don't know how I feel. I'm in beast mode at the top of the step. I be hustling first. Y'all niggas simp as hell, go buy her purse. Dope boy L41 t-shirt. Get to the money, I gotta go get.
And this ain't even sport mode, man. This eco mode. Y'all still here, but no cap. I don't got no work done to it or nothing, man. No tune-ups, no none of that. I need to though, man. I need to start doing more work to the Scat. But I just wanted to keep it regular. I ain't planning on keeping the car that long. I was gonna end it up upgrading or whatever, man. But I don't know. Maybe I might just keep it, pay it off, and then upgrade. Who knows, bro? I don't know. I just gotta stay tuned to the channel because I'm gonna take y'all along on the journey, whatever I do with this book. You feel me? But yeah, with it right there, look at, oh, that my boy Scotty. I'm about to say, bro, looking at me like crazy or something. That my boy Scotty though. No cap. We shouldn't have too much longer till the sun goes down, man. Bro, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, probably not. I doubt y'all can see. It's like 5 jets over there in the air, bro. That's going crazy. About to hit this way right here. Yes, sir. Cut that sport mode on for y'all. Yo. Hold on, I don't know what kind of cars this is right here. So hold on, I ain't even gonna hit it yet. See how these cars up here? I'm gonna hit another road. Hold on, man. See what this one over here talking about. This road over here talking about. Yo. Oh, I think this a dead end. Yo, road in. That's all good. Ain't nothing but a thing. She wanted me to talk about love, but I don't love her. She really just want her soul took. They beefing, got they pose up. Bro, locked up in swolls up. I'd rather for you to judge me than love me. Back break screaming, boy. I might need me some back break. Okay. I ain't know they was screaming like that. If I ever tried and I fail, I'll take my L, nigga, let me hold. Traumatizing hell, I can't even feel, man. I'm my brother steady getting close. If I go to jail, if I die today, tell my brother better keep that shit at home. She'll be alright, though. And there go 2 more jets right there. I'm still gonna fight, though. I'm gonna be alright, though. We gonna be alright, though. Play that on my life, though. We gonna be alright, though. I get bread. Hit this road right here, and I'm gonna give y'all a little punch right quick. Oh, I'm on the side of the road. I went through some pain in this permanent. Green light, bitch, I'm gonna go, that's a firm. It seemed like I took a personal. My was incarcerated when she burned me. What you trying to tell me? I ain't never tried down. I see that shit coming like a earth. She sounds so much, she knows how she love me. I see that straight on the country. It's the stone to pull it here. I thought I don't know this. You tell you that I'm on that AD. I've been on discussion. I see it, man. See the people. No killer, no crash. Most of these bitches are that's in the private. But how they depend, I come off the bus. I taught him my mirror, I know I won't judge. Yes, sir. And all this with one hand, you feel me? So I ain't even cutting up too much, man. Imagine me with 2 hands, you feel me? Still got the Christmas spirit going. It's like, what, a day after Christmas? Yeah, it's the 26th. People, everybody still got their little Christmas spirit going, man. Oh yeah, by the way, man, I dropped the, I had dropped the, which one to call it? I dropped the Christmas Eve vlog. I was riding through, the town or whatever, checking out the lights in the Scat, cutting up through the city at nighttime. But they blocked my post or whatever, man. YouTube blocked my post. I guess I had too much copyright in it, so they blocked it, man. I just deleted it because nobody could see it. Wasn't no point in keeping it up, man. But man, it's all good. It's whatever, bro. Cause this vlog way more lit. You feel me? I ain't gonna say all that. This vlog lit though. But man, I'm about to go hit a gas station. Or I'll probably hit a dark spot. That way the lights hit a little bit better. So y'all just stay tuned to the channel, man. No cap. Alright, so the sun went down a little bit. Show y'all a little bit of what it looked like. You feel me? Alright, man, so now I'm about to give y'all a little montage right here.
Started kinda fun, I still want cushion. And she keep blowing my mind, that's the big official. But I don't be wasting no time, cause that's not beneficial.
As y'all can see, man, that jump too hard, bro. Alright, man. That is the end of today's vlog. Hope y'all did enjoy this vlog. If y'all did enjoy this vlog, please leave me a like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to share this video, man. And don't forget to check out my main channel, man. Bangers uploaded there, man. I can't say y'all know. But anyway, man, until next time, I'm out.
Getting that. If I told you it's over, no getting back. And I'm spinning back and then I'm sliding. I'm only doing that shit with the slime. But you ain't my twin, you ain't none of that fire. Nigga know that ain't a game for real. I try to have a little patience, but I cannot wait, cause I'm trying to do what's Brian for real.